In a world where technology is ever evolving, staying up to date with the latest devices is essential. And with the upcoming release of the Oppo Reno 9 Pro, tech enthusiasts are in for a treat. The Oppo Reno series has always been known for its cutting-edge technology and sleek designs, and the Oppo Reno 9 Pro is expected to continue that tradition. With a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, the Oppo Reno 9 Pro is set to deliver stunning visuals and vibrant colors that will make every video and image pop. And with a quad-camera setup, including a 108-megapixel primary camera, the Oppo Reno 9 Pro will capture every moment in incredible detail. For selfies and video calls, the Oppo Reno 9 Pro is said to feature a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 895 chipset and with up to 12 GB of RAM. This device is expected to be a powerhouse, capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. And other features include a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging support, 5G connectivity, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and the latest version of Android with Oppo's ColorOS skin. The Oppo Reno 9 Pro is an upcoming flagship smartphone that is sure to impress with its top-of-the-line specifications and sleek design. Stay tuned for more information on the Oppo Reno 9 Pro and its official release date.